Welcome to the channel. Let's create this lens flare effect. Please like and subscribe to our channel for new video. You can find these images in the video description. Let's start now. Bring the lens flare image. Blending more linear dodge, add. I'll place lens flare image like this. Please like and subscribe to our channel for new video. Now go to FX and create hue and saturation layer. Clip the hue and saturation layer under image. Press Alt-click between the hue and saturation layer and image layer to clip it. Now, you can change the color of lens flare image. I'll choose this one. Now your image is ready.